सुशांत की मौत का सच क्या है? सीबीआई रिया और बहनों से पूछताछ करके सच निकालने की कोशिश कर रही है। रिया बार बार कह रही है सुशांत की मौत मर्डर नहीं सुसाइड है और मौत की वजह डिप्रेशन है। लेकिन हकीकत क्या है? सुशांत के एक नए टेप से इसकी मिस्ट्री और गहरा गई है। मौत के 5 महीने पहले सुशांत ने एक मीटिंग बुलाई थी। इस मीटिंग में सुशांत ने अपने फ्यूचर प्लानिंग की चर्चा की थी, लेकिन रिया चक्रवर्ती ने इस मीटिंग की भी एक सीक्रेट रिकॉर्डिंग करवाई। अब यही सीक्रेट रिकॉर्डिंग रिया और सुशांत के उन दोस्तों की पोल खोल रही है।
These fancy cars that I've bought.
Yeah, you can sell the Maserati.
Acting is something that I would be able to do. Number one.
अपनी मौत से 5 महीने पहले सुशांत बोल रहे थे। अपनी जिंदगी की परेशानियों के हर राज खोल रहे थे।
These fancy cars that I've bought.
Yeah, you can sell the Maserati.
सुशांत बता रहे थे कि वो क्या नहीं करना चाहते हैं।
Acting is something that I would be able to do. Number one. Number two, I don't still know which other economic structure I can get into. So, in some sort of a way, I mean, like it's 50-50.
और अब क्या करना चाहते हैं?
Move from city to
a smaller, yeah, you have family,
either their place or
something else
something like that.
सुशांत मन की शांति चाहते थे, लेकिन सुशांत के आसपास मौजूद लोगों की नजर सिर्फ और सिर्फ सुशांत के पैसे पर थी।
So we have 2 cards here. One is a small card, one is the larger one. Larger one is his that has a 5 lakh limit, and the smaller one has a 50 grand limit.
सुशांत को कितना पैसा कहाँ मिलने वाला है, रिया हर बात की खबर रखती थी।
Have we taken any signing amounts from any brands?
We've taken signing amounts.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जैसी सोने की चिड़िया को प्यार और नशे में कैद कर लिया गया था।
Bata, we've done it, but we've not picked up monies yet.
आप इस वक्त जिन आवाजों को सुन रहे हैं, ये सभी वो किरदार हैं जिनसे सुशांत की मौत के मामले में लगातार पूछताछ हो रही है। ये ऑडियो टेप 12 जनवरी 2020 का है। सुशांत की मौत के करीब 5 महीने पहले ये टेप रिकॉर्ड किया गया। टेप में सुशांत एक्टिंग छोड़कर अपने रिटायरमेंट की प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं और उन्होंने सलाह मशवरे के लिए अपने दोस्तों की एक मीटिंग बुलाई थी। इस मीटिंग में रिया चक्रवर्ती थी, उनके पिता इंद्रजीत चक्रवर्ती थे, सुशांत के सीए संदीप श्रीधर हैं, सुशांत की बिजनेस मैनेजर श्रुति मोदी है और कुछ और लोग भी शामिल थे। इस बातचीत में शामिल लोगों की बातों से सुशांत के करीबियों और उनके दोस्त की पूरी ब्रेन मैपिंग हो सकती है। सीबीआई खुद इस टेप की जांच पड़ताल कर रही है। इस ऑडियो टेप में मौजूद हर बात हम आपको बहुत गौर से सुनाएंगे, लेकिन सबसे पहला और बड़ा सवाल ये है कि क्या सुशांत की बिना मर्जी के उनके ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड किए गए थे? आखिर सुशांत के घर में कितने कैमरे और कितने ऑडियो रिकॉर्डर लगे हुए थे? क्या ये सब सुशांत की बिना जानकारी के किया जा रहा था? ये पता लगाना भी जरूरी है कि आखिर इस ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग के पीछे का मकसद क्या है और इसके पीछे कौन है। इस ऑडियो टेप में सुशांत की बातें सुनकर एकदम साफ लगता है कि सुशांत मरना नहीं चाहते थे। सुशांत अपनी जिंदगी को जीना चाहते थे। वो अपने इंटेलेक्चुअल गोल्स को हासिल करना चाहते थे। वो एक्टिंग से रिटायरमेंट लेकर इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते थे। सुशांत छोटे शहर में शिफ्ट होना चाहते थे, लेकिन रिया गोवा में रहने की बात कर रही थी। बातचीत के दौरान कोई सुशांत से ये पूछता है कि आपके लिए सबसे बुरी परिस्थिति क्या होगी, तो सुशांत की जगह जवाब रिया देती है। रिया वो प्लान बताती है जिससे सुशांत का पैसा रिया, श्रुति और सैमुअल मिरांडा के अलावा कोई और ना निकाल सके। सुनिए पूरी बातचीत।
We have seen cases where it has always been a part of the lifestyle. This bipolar. So in that state, I don't think acting is something that I would be able to do. Number one. Number two, I don't still know which other economic structure I can get into. So, in some sort of a way, I mean, like it's 50-50. It's not that we can be confident that I can come back and...
But that you let us decide. No, you're deciding all this for yourself.
No,
let us decide something.
All the doctors and everything that we have been discussing this last 2 months, homework of 2.5 months.
Tell me, what is the worst fear? Is
So
the
the
fear
end-
that
no,
we're going to run out of, we're not going to have any
So
financial
I'll
stability?
tell you. So I've definitely wanted in a way that if, for example, tomorrow I'm not there, or Shruti's not there, or Miranda's not there, and there are newer people who are just there. If someone gets his card, so firstly, the first thing I told them is to start making everything in FDs.
Right.
Which is why they must have called you frantically. I said, just put all his money in FDs. So in the card, there should not be more than 10-15 lakhs at any given point. That's one thing. Second thing is that money that he has, so that we can get some interest from it, so he doesn't start eating into his savings. In the best case possible that you all can come up with.
Right.
And to safeguard his money in a way where only without his signature nothing can happen. Like to break an FD.
But that too, anyway, it won't
That will happen. So
Won't
that
happen.
that's already in place.
Move from city
To a smaller, yeah, you have probably not that big.
either their place or
Something else that-
something like that.
Or like there's a thought that Goa maybe, but that suggested that be in Pabna for some time. See that, then first see Goa. Give it like 1 or 2 months before we finally decide that. But overall, he
Yeah, and on the
wants to
one hand,
feel
if you're having this
safeguarded.
conversation to be conscious of finances, then let's not add to that also, right? Leave and license.
Yeah,
Then
one
you
year.
want to burden him with.
I told her that give it 5-6 months here initially with Pabna because you have the place.
And we are paying rent, and it's
And
not
then
that
you go to Goa and see
compared
if you
to what
want
we have
for a
here.
month.
Yeah.
Sir was saying that it's too expensive.
Which one?
The Pavna place, for Pavna standards, it may be expensive,
for
but for
Pavna
the
standards,
property,
it's expensive.
and
It's
he
fine.
seems to be enjoying it. And it's made well. There's like a river also close by, right? You
The
have
lake.
access to the
The
lake.
There's a problem.
No,
Some
acres.
leaves.
It's leave and license.
See, he's thinking of the future. Like he's worried about the future, and he wants that kind of safeguard
Yeah.
that
I'm saying let's treat it as a something like a retirement thing.
I understand.
So how will I do it? I just want help.
Yeah, so that,
See, right now
that
he
steps
only
will
had his
be-
money open.
Yeah.
Few FDs have been made now, and some are in mutual funds, and some are still open.
It was badly managed
To be
earlier.
honest,
रिया एफडी को तोड़ने की बात क्यों करती है? आखिर रिया के अलावा कौन इतना करीब था जो सुशांत के एफडी तोड़ने के लिए साइन करवा सकता था? क्या ये सब सुशांत के दोस्तों की सुशांत के पैसे पर कब्जा करने की साजिश थी? सुशांत के पास जो पैसा बचा है उसको सेव करने के लिए सुशांत एक प्लान बनाना चाहते थे जिससे उनकी आगे की जिंदगी ठीक तरह चल सके। मीटिंग में एक ट्रस्ट बनाने की बात भी होती है। रिया और श्रुति को ट्रस्टी बनाने की बात होती है, लेकिन सुशांत ट्रस्ट बनाने से सहमत नहीं होते हैं। सुशांत सवाल पूछते हैं कि ट्रस्टी गड़बड़ करेगा तो क्या करेंगे? बातचीत से ऐसा लगता है कि पैसे के मामले में सुशांत को रिया और श्रुति या किसी करीबी पर भी भरोसा नहीं था। सुनिए पूरी बातचीत जो रिया और सुशांत के इर्द गिर्द जमा उसके दोस्तों की पोल खोलती है।
At this point in time, I just wanted a request, a favor was that how should we just save all the money, do it in a way
We
that I
talked
can.
about a worst case scenario yesterday, and
Yes.
that was a worst case thing that we discussed.
Yeah, because here I'm fighting my mind, so
Yeah.
that's probably the worst case.
So the worst case
I can ever see.
which generally happens when we do worst case cases is having a private trust set up.
I just want to know how this trust thing functions. I mean, I have no idea. I'm a layman.
Right. So you're creating a child. You're giving birth to an entity in which there will be set rules and regulations, and which will be defined that this is how the trust will function. And it's a private trust because it's for the benefit of a certain set of people.
say that Riya and Shruti are the trustees, okay? And then the third party is the beneficiary. Who is the beneficiary of the trust? Say in this case it will be him, right? Now the law demands that trustees can only act in a fiduciary position, means in a position of trust. So they have been put in charge that okay, this is the asset that the settler brought in. You have to just administer this. It's not a transfer of ownership, okay? So the trust doesn't become the trustees don't become the owners, right? They are only like guardians or gatekeepers, or they're watching a certain property, and they have to make sure that they use the assets, whether it's money, whether it's property, in a manner that is always in the highest and best interest of the beneficiary. So a lot of times you'll see that parents actually set it up for their children. Beneficiary, yeah, the settler can be
And later on, if you're not happy with the role of the trustees,
there is a provision, there's a Trusts Act, and you have lots of legal remedies.
I have another question. Now, for example, if we have, say, 10 rupees that has to go in this trust, and suppose you want to make an FD or a mutual fund of it, That still the trustees can.
The trustees will decide what is best.
Will decide what is best to be done.
Which has a better return rate and which less risky. And you can define all that. It can be a simple or a huge document.
ये मीटिंग 12 जनवरी को हो रही थी और सुशांत कहते हैं कि वो 21 जनवरी को अपने बर्थडे के दिन बर्थडे गिफ्ट के तौर पर अपना बिजनेस पोर्टफोलियो चाहते थे।
Actually, you know what? I feel he just wants an assurance, a financial assurance that what he has, it's compatible with his
lifestyle.
Maybe a little toned down.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I can go civilly down. But I hardly go out of my room.
Right.
Yeah.
No, that I'm sure we'll be able to work something.
Fair thing. But yeah, it's a long life. So working again, it has to be a goal post that you have to achieve.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So I'll have my intellectual curiosity to take care
Right.
of that. But not in terms of any economic commitment.
Right.
Because this kind of frame of mind, like one day I feel something and the second day I feel something
Right.
else about work. So I cannot be wasting others' time at all.
Right.
So like that, as soon as I get an idea about
Wednesday.
for my birthday, for sure. Give me a good
You want me around
folio as a
here?
gift.
ऑडियो टेप से ये पता चलता है कि सुशांत बॉलीवुड की चकाचौंध वाली जिंदगी को छोड़कर सामान्य जिंदगी जीना चाहते थे। लेकिन क्या रिया मुंबई की चकाचौंध और बड़ी हीरोइन बनने का ख्वाब छोड़ने को तैयार थी? सवाल ये है कि क्या यही निजी हितों का संघर्ष ही रिया और सुशांत के बीच झगड़े की वजह बना?
What can we do to just ensure that I stop spending money that I should not spend?
We have this list of expenses that you incur every month, right? Right from this house to employees to cars to everything. And currently, the status of this corpus, assuming there's no further income, it's difficult or impossible rather to even sustain that kind of expenditure. So you need to cut down whichever can be cut down immediately and start saving money.
So this house probably, but since it's a new license and he has a deposit, maybe we'll have to speak to the.
We can speak and get out of it.
We can speak and get out of
To
it.
get out of it, we get out of it. Maybe we.
But I was just saying, for that call to happen, for the decision to happen, maybe in a month we can start talking to the owner.
Yeah, and I'm thinking, don't think कि हमारा lock in है अभी हट नहीं सकते हैं. If it's money that is pinching our pocket, we'll find a way to cut it out.
Yeah. Correct. So this is the first goal, is this money. Like whatever money he has, invested in a way that he gets some returns.
So that I know that this is the amount.
This is the amount he's
that you
getting
can
every
earn.
month, and he can plan accordingly to give up this house.
आगे की बातचीत में ये बात और साफ हो जाती है कि आखिर रिया के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है। जब सुशांत ये पूछते हैं कि क्या उन्होंने किसी से पैसे तो नहीं लिए हैं, तो रिया इसका जवाब देने की बजाय इस पर चर्चा करती है कि पैसे आने कहां से हैं।
But then I'm not going to use it now. So I mean, like, if I didn't have one, then I would buy one.
एक महीने के बाद won't get that much money to buy an Innova.
पूरे दिन से reflect नहीं करते हैं.
Selling the Maserati.
In fact, while coming here also I was thinking over it. That's a good thought process.
We can have more of those discussions.
Yes,
if you want.
yes.
Whenever
Surely.
you want.
Oh wow, then we must do something on the terrace.
We have to stop
यार मुझे एक black coffee दे दे.
spending as soon as possible.
Give me the
In
cards.
all the things.
Give me the cards. I keep them with me if you want spend.
There are no for any other expenses but the house functioning and
Yeah.
the staff costs.
Right.
Which I told him for 1 or 2 months, let it be as it is till you guys come up with a plan, until he's certain that this is not a phase but this is only how he feels now and it's not functional at all.
Yeah.
We'll give that 1-2 months, and then we can start disposing of assets and reducing stuff. So that's why I told him give it 1 or 2 months more and see the life in Bhavna, and then decide.
बातचीत से ये भी साफ है कि रिया को हर उस सोर्स की जानकारी हासिल करती थी जहां से सुशांत को पैसा मिलना था। यानी रिया जो बार बार ये सफाई दे रही है कि सुशांत के आर्थिक मामलों में उनका कोई दखल नहीं था, ये बात गलत साबित होती है। सुशांत अपना खर्चा कम करना चाहते थे, लेकिन इस बात के सबूत हैं कि सुशांत के अकाउंट से लगातार भारी खर्च किया जाता रहा। सुशांत के आसपास जो लोग मौजूद थे, उनकी नजर सुशांत की ब्रांड वैल्यू और सुशांत के पैसे पर थी। सुशांत ने जिन पर भरोसा किया था, क्या उस भरोसे के टूट जाने की वजह से ही उनकी जिंदगी की डोर भी टूट गई? ये वही बड़े सवाल हैं जिनके आधार पर सुशांत की मौत के मामले में लोगों का गुनाह तय होगा। मुंबई से जयप्रकाश सिंह के साथ मनीष प्रसाद, इंडिया टीवी।
रिया से सीबीआई की पूछताछ पर मुंबई से एक नया अपडेट आ रहा है, बताएंगे ब्रेक के बाद।